Hey guys, it's Courtney and welcome back to my channel. Today we're bringing a hot new rental located in the Mona area. Thank you so much, Miss Neil, for allowing me to do this property tour. And without further ado guys, let's get straight into the video. So this rental is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath with a driveway and a flexible layout, I would say. Here is the entrance, and we have a small veranda or foyer area because it's much larger than a veranda if you ask me. And here can be a little bit of a chill spot for you and your guests, or it can be a cool hangout spot for you alone. Now on that same veranda area, there is a spare room in which I would suggest you turning it into an office because it's not large enough to be a bedroom. And this is not calculated into the 2 bedrooms that I mentioned earlier. So once you skip the veranda area, here is another area which can be a living room area along with a guest bathroom. Now as you can see, it's a very flexible layout. That's the guest bathroom right there, or that would be your first bathroom if you want to stay downstairs. Now this bathroom has a sink, a toilet, and all the works, but it doesn't have a shower. So again, I would strongly recommend you use it as a guest bathroom. Once you exit that area, you're going to enter the kitchen. Now it's very open concept. You have an island, lots of cabinet storage, lots of drawer storage as well, and then you're gonna have your laundry area, which is on the left of the room, which I will show you in a bit. Because of the setup of the island, you can still cook on this island and actually invest in some high chairs and have dining as well. As you saw, it was 2 levels. You do get a double sink. You have a back door entrance to your laundry area, which is outside, so you don't have to walk all the way around the house. Now as you can see, there's lots of natural light, lots of ventilation as well. You get a small wine cabinet as a bonus, and for this specific cabinet I'd recommend as a pantry space. Now as you turn around in the kitchen, here is the laundry area which I mentioned. There are already fixtures installed for you to just connect your washing machine and stuff like that. And if you want, you can do your hand washing in here also. As you can see, there's lots of room for both the appliances and for you to actually do your hand washing in the space. Now I really can appreciate a good old-fashioned wooden staircase, and that is what we have here. Nicely dark texture, dark colored, and it curves right upstairs. Once you head upstairs though, you're going to notice that the bathroom has a bit of a renovation to it, especially the shower area and the toilet. So it's like a semi-modern bathroom, and then here's how it looks from standing at the door. As you can see, the fixtures are brand new, the shower is brand new, and here we go. This is the rest of the bathroom. Now I'm going to be stepping inside the shower so that you can see just how roomy it is, just how much space you get in the shower so you can move around. But after you exit the bathroom, here's bedroom number 1. Now the 2 bedrooms are actually upstairs, and this is the first one. As you can see, there's an air conditioning unit as well as a fan and windows in this room, so I think that's lots of ventilation right there. It's also very roomy, so you can fit a queen size bed or a full size bed into this space. You also get a closet space with this room as well. Now off to bedroom number 2, which is right across from bedroom number 1. Not as much windows, but you still get your fan and your natural lighting, and you can still install your AC unit in this room as well. Now if you guys are loving this rental so far, let me know in the comment section. If you'd like me to do more rentals, go ahead and drop that in the comments as well, and don't forget to join the family and subscribe. Moving on to the outdoor space. So like I mentioned, you do get a driveway with this property. Now I'm just showing you the driveway from both angles, and then I'm going to go around the side of the house for you to see just how much space you get there. So this is the side entrance to go around the back, which I mentioned earlier when you were in the kitchen. And here's your clothesline where you can hang your clothes and everything else that you need to do. If you want to do some barbecuing, you can do it out here as well. But you have your own private backyard space. On my left is an additional room which I suggest you use as a storage room, seeing that you already have a in-unit laundry room already. Now this particular room I was not able to film inside, but it does come with the rental. So if you guys are interested in this rental, please reach out to the real estate agent. All the important details will be below. Let me know what you guys thought about the property, and thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys next week.